Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we do a bit of wall framing. Place your bets now. Will this fit in my van? It would probably fit if I could take these off, but when you lift this up, it's built in there. It looks like the only way to take these off is to take these screws out, but then the bar will still be in there. Alright, this morning I am heading to Epsom, not too far away. I'm actually helping someone who has been on an exciting episode previously. And that was the person who won the Makita radio.
Yeah, Richard.
So you're the winner.
I'm the winner.
I'll put a link at the end of this video. He's bought a place, a do-up, and he needs a bit of a hand with some framing.
Hey, buddy, outside.
I'm here. Hey. Mate, it looks a bit different.
Yeah. We've torn into the
bathroom.
Was all the jib up last time you were here?
We got the big Makita. We're gonna try it out. Oh, it clipped on alright? Yeah. Nice. So you used the Milwaukee one, this one. I can see why you picked this one. Oh, come on. I'm not a strong guy. Okay, laser following the wall. And this particular wall is interesting because this board up here is kind of holding the ceiling. It was on the old framing, it's kind of notched into the old framing, that's right.
It notches into that scotia and then the scotia is nailed to the framing, to the studs.
Oh, okay. So we have to kind of keep that there so the ceiling stays there. And then we're sort of building the wall down from there. So now we have a chalk line down there that is 80 millimeters from our finish frame line. Because of the lasering that we did, we know it's parallel with the top. Alright, 80 on the dot, right there. Beautiful. A couple more, yeah.
Wow, that's weird.
It's pretty smooth cut there, Rich. Look at that. Butter. Well, you can start to see the changes we're making here. This doorway here will become a wall. This is a doorway that we've just formed. And we're not going to hang an actual door there, it's just a opening to get from the bathroom bedroom into the kitchen, which is here. And this house is kind of interesting. I haven't worked on a lot of concrete houses, block houses. It's all sort of timber framed houses. And while there is a lot of timber framing here, if you look out here, this is all brick forming the structure of the building, and then they're framed to give you an inside wall. An old chimney here that's been boxed around. Strapped the block wall there to put plaster on. And then on the outside it's just rendered. Kind of reminds me of working in Scotland. We'll see these kind of buildings all the time, you know. There's the render here. And then they've got windows recessed in. And we've got a window guy coming here probably in about an hour to measure up for new windows. Today on the menu, ladies and gentlemen, we have beautiful ham and cheese sandwiches. We've also got a bit of that sweet chili relish on there for that extra bit of flavour. Because we all know a bit of extra flavour never hurt anybody. Ah, looks like she's ready. Doesn't it look like a thing of beauty? Nothing like some hot food on a cold day. So yeah, like I said, I met Rich through that radio giveaway. When you put it that way, it kind of looks like it was rigged, now that I'm here doing some work for him. Totally wasn't, by the way. It was fortuitous. Now I'm here kind of seeing how someone would buy a place in Auckland, do it up, and he plans to eventually sell it as well. It's certainly something, as a builder, certainly something I've been thinking about doing in the hopefully near future. So if I can learn from this guy and people like him, it's a good thing. That's actually what I spent a lot of time learning in Edinburgh, working with my Uncle Sandy. He started off with a 1-bedroom flat on the 3rd floor of an apartment building in Edinburgh, and now he's got a number of houses around Edinburgh. I remember him telling me how he removed the kitchen and he didn't want to go down the stairs, so he just threw the kitchen out the window from 3 floors down into a garden all the way down. Just quick. It was just quicker, he said. Save a trip doing the stairs, pal. Smells good. Yeah, just had a toasty. There we go. So a bit of wall there with a cavity slider going into it. And then you walk through into your beautiful bathroom, shower over there, vanity there, toilet. Sweet. Nice working with you, Rich. It's so heavy. It's fun to use though, eh?
A surprising amount of power for a battery, eh?
Yeah, for sure. You kind of forget that it's battery powered. Oh, because it doesn't fit on the side, this is where it goes. Oh. All right.